Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word drowsy, its meaning, definition and the example. Drowsy. The definition of drowsy is a feeling of being sleepy, tired or not fully awake. The synonyms of drowsy are sleepy, tired, lazy, indolent. Now let me show the example of drowsy word in sentences are: I've tried them in the past and they make me too drowsy during the daytime. You need to lay your child in his crib when he is awake but drowsy. The chemicals melatonin and serotonin naturally make you drowsy. If you feel drowsy and fall asleep while driving, you will undoubtedly crash. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.